master 7 trading rules and never work again. And I really mean that. Because if you look at the word master, that means that you are great. You are good at what you do. So I don't see why you can't trade full time if you master these 7 trading rules. So we're going to talk about these rules. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because over here, what I do, I help struggling traders take their trading to the next level. I've been trading these markets for 13 years and I know a lot about these markets. So this is a channel that you definitely want to follow. Okay, so let's get into the 7 trading rules. Number 1, backtest more. Guys, you need to backtest more. Trading is like a sport. We have to perform under pressure. So, since we have to perform under pressure, you have to practice your butt off all the time. If you look at professional athletes, they spend more time practicing than actually playing the real game, because they understand that when you practice, it helps you with your mental game. It helps you mentally get prepared for the real game. And they also know that if you practice more, you will automatically get better at playing the game. So guys, you need to do the same thing when it comes to trading. You need to practice more, aka backtest, okay? So you can mentally prepare yourself and get better at trading. Most people don't know that when you backtest, you actually build confidence, because your brain is seeing your trading strategy work over and over and over. If you see multiple examples of winning trades and your strategy is telling you this works, okay, your confidence will grow. So practice more, backtest more, and you will realize you will become a better trader just by doing that. Number 2, become a good loser. And I know some of you guys are asking me, hey man, what do you mean by that? Guys, listen, we humans are not good when it comes to losing. But in this game, guys, we have to be okay with losing. So we have to rewire our brain in order to be good at trading. Because if we don't, it's going to be very hard to actually win, because you have to lose in order to win when it comes to trading. We humans, we hate to be wrong, but it's okay to be wrong in trading, because you can actually wipe out 1, 2, or even 3 bad trades with one trade. So be okay with being wrong. It's a saying that goes, you don't know what you have until you lose it. And that's true. We feel bad when we lose something. But I'm here to tell you guys, we have to rewire our brain so we can get used to taking losses and trade the right way. Professional traders are very good at taking losses and not letting the last trade affect them to the point where they can't take the next trade. Guys, you have to be able to perform, okay, under pressure, and be able to know how to take a loss and take the next trade like nothing happened. Okay? Again, in order to win, you have to lose. In order to win, you have to lose. Don't worry, guys. Losing is actually good in this game. It's part of the game. Me personally, I don't care about losers, because I know if I keep following my system, I know I can wipe out 3, 4 losers with one trade. Okay? But this confidence only comes with practicing the same thing over and over and over. So guys, make sure you practice. Number 3, create a trading system. What is a system? A system is a combination of different things that come together to achieve a common goal. So guys, you need to have a step-by-step list, okay? And that list should tell you what to do so you can actually repeat the same result over and over, okay? That's what a system allows you to do. It allows you to repeat the same result over and over and over. If you want to build a house, guess what? You will follow a blueprint that has been used before and that has a proven track record, right? So you can repeat the same result over and over and over and over. Before you go live, guys, with your trading, you have to make sure your strategy works. Because if you don't, you're going to be frustrated and you're going to lose a lot of money for nothing. So guys, make sure your strategy works and make sure you have stats that back it up, okay? And with your strategy, you should have things like when to enter, when to exit, when to put your stop loss to break even, what is your daily loss limit, what markets are you going to trade, what time are you going to trade, what time are you going to stop trading, because a lot of people want to trade all day. Guys, you have to know when to stop trading. Okay, so you need things like that with your trading plan, with your system, so you can actually repeat the same results over and over and over and over. Okay, number 4, don't fall in love. Now, when I say don't fall in love, I'm not just talking about don't fall in love with your trade. I'm talking about multiple things. So let's talk about number 1. Number 1, don't fall in love with your trade. Okay, if you're trading right now and let's say you're going long and you think that the market will go up, some of you guys are so married to your position to the point where you are willing to move your stop loss, and then next thing you know, the market keeps going down, and stop you out. Guys, you can't trade like that. Listen, I've been trading these markets for 13 years, and I understand that the market is actually in control. What I'm doing is I'm coming in the market, I'm saying, okay, is a possibility the market might go up. I put my stop loss in place. If I'm wrong, I take a small hit and that's it. Okay, so guys, don't fall in love with your trade. Number 2, don't fall in love with your bias. Okay, if you come in the market and you say the market is a bearish market today, I'm only looking for shorts, fine. But if the market starts to break structure and start to trend up and keep going to the upside, you have to be able to change your bias, guys. You can't fall in love with your bias. Who cares if the market's not going down? You have to be able to trade what's in front of you. Whatever the market is doing right now, you have to say, okay, I need to switch my bias. Now I need to go long. All right. And number 3, don't fall in love with your market. What do I mean? Well, let's say that you're trading the Euro USD, and that's the market you've been trading for a long time, right? Let's say you've been trading that for 2 years. And all of a sudden, for some reason, it's slow. The market is, sluggish. It's very choppy, and it's not moving like it used to. Guys, don't fall in love with that market. Move on. If you see Euro USD, okay, your main market, moving slow, and you look at British pound, right, and it's moving like crazy, it's moving fast, and it's moving like you want your market to move. Guys, guess what? You don't have to be stuck, and you don't have to fall in love with the Euro USD. You can switch markets. Every market is the same. I see this all the time with new traders. They think that, all markets are different, or since they never trade that market, well, I don't know that market, so, I don't know how to trade that market. Guys, all markets are the same. They have the same patterns. Some markets move faster than other markets. Don't fall in love with one market. I had to do that with crude oil. I was trading crude oil, okay? That was one of my main markets, and for some reason, for a while, crude oil was basically chopping around, and I was like, I can't take this. I moved on to the NASDAQ 100, and the NASDAQ is a fast-moving market. I love it. The volatility is good. So, guys, don't fall in love with your market. If you need to move on and go to another market, go to another market, right? Number 5, find a mentor. Guys, this is very big, okay? Learning on your own is the lowest form of learning, guys. It's actually the worst form of learning. You should never try to learn on your own because you don't know what you don't know. You are not a profitable trader yet. So why do you think you know what to look up when it comes to trading? Okay? You don't. You don't even know the right terms to type in. Okay? Because you're new. You're not profitable yet. So you don't even know what to look for. Guys, when it comes to trading, I've been trading these markets for 13 years. I told you guys before, I'm still buying courses. Right now, I'm in the process of learning options. I'm still buying courses. I'm buying option courses and I'm learning. I don't mind doing that because I know it's going to save me time. And I also know that I don't know what I don't know. So it's very hard for me to learn on my own if I don't know what to look for. Okay, guys, let your ego go. Okay, I know some of you guys don't have the money to pay for a course or find a mentor. I understand that. But guys, you have to save up some money somehow, okay, and step up your game. Me personally, I had to buy 5 or 6 courses before I started to see results. And I'm quite sure I'm not the only one that went through that process, okay? But it is what it is, all right? That's life. Just think about this for a second. If you wanted to market your business, right, and you was in a process of studying marketing, right, and you wanted to buy marketing books, I'm quite sure you're not going to buy just one marketing book. You're probably going to buy two, three, or even four, even five marketing books. So you have to understand sometimes you're going to buy 5 or 6 courses before you find that right one. Okay. And to me, people in general, they complain too much. Okay. Because they don't understand life, guys. It is what it is. That's how it works. Right. Guys, when it comes to never working a 9 to 5 again, you have to be willing to do whatever it takes. Me personally, I had to get rid of stuff that I didn't use around the house, put them online, and I sold them to get some cash so I can fund my trading account and buy trading courses. So if you have something around your house right now that you don't use and you know you can sell it, there you go. You got some money right there. Me, when I used to work a 9 to 5, I had to work 7 days a week. I sold a lot of stuff that I didn't use around the house to raise some capital, and that capital paid for my education and then funded my trading account. So guys, make sure you step up your game. Stop trying to learn on your own and get a mentor. Number 6, don't break your rules. Guys, you have to have discipline. I know you hear this a lot, but it's true. You have to have discipline. I once heard a trader say, I don't want to be the best trader in the room. I want to be the most disciplined trader in the room. And I agree. I don't want to be the best trader in the room. I want to be the most disciplined trader in the room, because they can be the best trader in the world, but if one day they slip up and say, you know what, let me move my stop loss, and next thing you know, the market goes against them and wipe out their trading account. So you have to understand, guys, you have to be disciplined. Please do not break your rule. Guys, if you look at any field, any industry, you will find that those who are successful are the most disciplined, guys, of the entire group or industry. Okay? Discipline can make you rich. So follow your trading plan, create good habits, and have discipline. All right? Number 7, guys, always improve. This is a big one. It's amazing how new traders keep making the same mistakes over and over and over. I tell my students all the time, write down your mistakes and have your mistakes right next to you while you are trading, because you can't rely on your memory. Your memory will let you down. Okay? So what do I mean? I mean that if you say, oh, yeah, I'm going to remember next time not to make that mistake. Guys, you are not going to remember next time. Okay? That's why you have to write it down, because you're going to forget, especially if you're trading. Okay? I don't care if you have to commit to 1 or 2 mistakes at a time. Make sure that you don't make that mistake over and over and over. If you commit to that mistake for 2 weeks straight, guys, I can almost guarantee you, you will hardly make that mistake again, because you will create good habits, right? Now, once you got that mistake down pat, okay, you can scratch that off your list and then tackle the next mistake, right? Because guys, listen, it's impossible to stay at the same level if you keep improving. Let me say that again. It's impossible for you to stay at the same level if you keep improving. So if you keep improving, guys, I don't see why you can't be a successful trader. It's just simple math. If you keep improving and you keep getting stronger, guys, eventually, boom, success is right there. So make sure that you improve, because guys, this is real. Okay. When I say you cannot stay at the same level if you keep on improving, that's real, guys, right? Make sure you understand that. So don't give up, because people who win in life are the people that don't give up. You will never lose if you don't give up, guys. So keep going. You got this. Make sure you keep improving, and you will become a better trader. So guys, that's it. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If so, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Join my free Telegram group. And guys, make sure you go below, pick up my training program. That training program will help you become a full-time trader, right? I have a Black Friday sale going on, so make sure you take advantage of that. Make sure you watch more videos on my channel. Share this video and comment below, because I tried to answer all your guys' questions. Again, thank you for your time, and please have a great day.